Okay, so remember in our last video, I said, and I'm keeping to that promise, that I'm going to teach you how to create this particular maze game from the very scratch using Scratch programming language. And that is exactly what I'll be doing in this video. Follow me. First thing first, let me close this project. Yes, leave. And then search for Scratch on my system. Yes, search for Scratch. As you can see, I'm opening Scratch from Scratch. I love the name of this programming language, Scratch. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is to delete this sprite so we can concentrate on our game. Now, the first thing we are going to do on this platform is to create what we call backdrop. Yes, the backdrop is like the background you use for your project or your game. And how do you create your backdrop? You move your mouse to the left bottom corner of the page. You move your mouse to the left bottom corner of the page where you have backdrop. Here exactly. So once you hover your mouse on it, once you put your mouse on it, this thing will pop up. Focus your eyes on the bottom right corner of your screen right now. This thing will pop up, and on it you will see choose a backdrop. This choose a backdrop contains a list of predefined backdrops that you can use for your project. For example, I can use this attic for my project. You can see here the backdrop have changed. Yes, it have. Now I can still come here. If I have a particular picture I want to use as my background, which we call backdrop in Scratch, I will just click on this arrow here where you have upload backdrop, and I will come here to choose where my picture is that I want to use as my backdrop. But for this particular project, if you can remember vividly, which I believe you do, the backdrop or the background is a red background. How can I create a plain red background for my project? What I will do is I will hover on backdrop and then move my mouse up to this place where you have paint. You see this paint? It's a wonder in Scratch that helps you to create your own backdrop. You literally use it to draw your own backdrop. So you click on it, and then here, as you can see here, these are the backdrop that already exist in this particular project. Let me delete it. This attic, I don't want it, so delete it. Now I'm faced with this blank backdrop. I'm faced with it. So how am I going to create it? It's simple. Click on this rectangle. Once you click on the rectangle, you have fill here. On this fill, when you click on it, you will be faced with these color bars. You adjust the color bars to reflect the color that you want. For example, I want red. As you can see, I've adjusted my color bar to give me just red. And the color on this fill, I'm sure you can see it. I'm sure you can see it. Of course, it is red. So I'll click on it, then come down to this my work area here. Uh, if you look properly, you will see this line here, which shows you my work area. So I will just drag my mouse over it, and you have it, the red, the red background, or what you call the red backdrop. The next thing I will want to create right now is the obstacle, which is, of course, the white lines that you saw while I was playing the game. For you to create that white line obstacle, you will use this line. Yes, you use the line here, and then come to outline. This outline is used to color the lines of your shape, which include this line, of course. So here I want the color to be white. I will adjust this bar, as you can see it, to give me what? White. Currently color is 100, saturation 0, brightness 100, and this will give me my color white. So what I will do, since I've already clicked on this line, I will just bring my mouse here and then I will draw my obstacle the way I want by holding my left mouse button and drag my mouse. So you can see it, I'm creating wonders already just by holding down my left mouse button and clicking, by holding my left mouse button, then dragging the mouse. I think this number of lines are okay for my obstacle, right? This is just beautiful. You can see the game already coming to form, right? All right. And that will be it for today's video. I don't want to overload you with so much that you begin to forget what to do. So practice with this for now. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to insert the beetle, which is that thing that was moving around the maze, and how to draw that circle that when the beetle gets to it, it will shout, "Yay, I won!" And then, of course, any other thing you want to do, which include changing the music. Like I said, follow me to the next video, but don't forget to like, comment, and share.